Hi and welcome back to my channel Digital Toolcase. In this video I want to talk about artificial intelligence and how you can earn some quick money, if you want, using artificial intelligence and these AI writing tools. We are talking about them so much in last times, and to make this video I want to take Jasper AI for example. Why? Because it's for sure the most popular one and the one that can guarantee you the higher quality as of today. Now, I know there are a lot of people that are really interested in this kind of AI tool, but they will find them too much costly because, let's say the truth, they are not really cheap if you don't use it for making money or for your daily job. So let's take Jasper AI, for example. I always suggest, if you want to use Jasper AI, to select the boss mode, because first you have more monthly words in order to use this app, and second you have the boss mode, commands, and so on. So you can even choose the starter one if you don't know how Jasper works or if you have little needs, but this plan is for sure the best one. You have more option and more possibilities, but it costs $59 monthly. First of all, if you click in the description, you can find my link. It's an affiliate link, so you can try Jasper AI using 10,000 words for free for 5 days. As I always say, there's no reason to not try it if you are curious about how this app works. But $59 monthly for some people can be a high paying cost. So how you can earn some money while you are using Jasper AI, for example? Well, the first way is obviously if you are a writer, so you have maybe your site, your blog, you are writing articles for your blog, you rank your articles, and you maybe earn your money with visits to your sites, with ads, using, for example, Ezoic or something similar, or to sell your affiliate products with your site. This is a way to earn money using AI writing tools, because they will speed up your work, this is for sure. But not all bloggers have enough traffic to pay for this kind of tools. So what's the best next way to earn money with this tool? For me, in my opinion, the obvious one is by using, for example, a site like Fiverr. Here is Fiverr. I was just for curiosity searching for someone that offers, for example, Amazon product description. If you go to Fiverr and search for this, you have a list of people that offers this kind of service. And let's take some example. These are the one with 5 stars, but you can reach this level in Fiverr if you make some good works. But we can also go to newest arrivals. Usually these are the cheapest one. So let's take this one, for example, and let's see how much a service like this can cost on Fiverr. Let's go here. Let's take this, for example. A basic one, Amazon product listing, title plus 5 bullet points plus description, no SEO. 300 words, 2 days delivery time, and the cost is 14 and 26 euros. My Fiverr is in euros, but this is just for 300 words. Now, if you use a tool like Jasper, how much time it takes you to generate an Amazon description of 3,000 words, for example, for sure it's less than 2 days. I think in some minutes you can generate it, because you will have a client that will give you the name of the product, the specifics of the products, and all you need to do for this example is to feed your AI tool with this data, and you will have one or more outputs, and they will be really good. I think you can earn easy money by doing this kind of services. If you, for example, take these. These are for 450 words, and the price is 33 euros. More or less, we are talking about $37, for example. And this costs even more. And if you become a good seller on Fiverr, you can earn really, really good money just by giving this kind of service. Here, you don't have to write an entire blog article. Maybe you like to do it, you can do it. On Fiverr, you can even write an entire blog article. But if you want to start, you have less experience, let's say like this, you can give this kind of services, so Amazon product description, but the same is for example, Facebook ads copy, for example. I think Facebook ad copywriting, and even here the prices are really, really good. Let's take this 5-star, for example, just to give you a quick example of how much money you can earn just by doing this kind of services. Let's say one high quality on-brand Facebook ads, 66 euros with 3 days delivery time. It can take you, let's say you have to do some kind of research, for example, and then generate a Facebook ad copy using Jasper. It can take you, I think, no more than 1 hour to do something like this. Not to generate the output, it can take you a few seconds, but if you need to do some kind of research, 1 hour, I think it may be enough. So let's do an example. Let's say you are on Fiverr, you give Amazon description service. Let's take, for example, a random product on Amazon, and let's use, in this case, a template in Jasper AI. Let's search for Amazon. I think it's this one. Amazon product futures bullets. So let's pretend that you have a client on Fiverr and you need to generate for him this Amazon product futures description. Let's copy the name of this product. Here it is. Copy, and let's paste it here. Product info, here we need to give the AI some information. Let's go here, for example, we can copy all this description and place it here. We now need to give Jasper the key benefits and features. Let's see. Key benefits, we can use these ones, for example. This is just an example. I'm doing it really quickly. This is why I'm saying maybe it takes you 1 hour. Okay, it's less than the 3 days some sellers on Fiverr give in delivery time. Okay, let's take even this. And let's see how... Oops. Okay, these are the maximum I can give. Tone of voice, professional. Here, if you want, you can even give some examples. So let's say you find another similar products, you take some of these bullet points, you paste them here, so the AI will be even more trained. But I now leave this blank, and let's try to generate these Amazon product futures in bullet points. Let's see how it works. Okay, this is our first output, the world's first temperature control mug. Keep your coffee, tea, or hot chocolate at the perfect drinking temperature all day long. Amber's sleek and stylish design is perfect for any occasion. And here we have two bullet points. Let's pretend you want to generate more. You can generate more, obviously. You can even copy this on your long form editor. So let's do like this. You can expand these bullet points. For example, if we copy this part here, we can even do something different. For example, this is if you have a boss mode. This is why I'm suggesting to using it. So you may generate again new AI content. In a few seconds you will have your bullet points. We can even use just the long form editor, for example, writing a command, something like write 4 bullet points with Amber control mug benefits. This is just an example to see how it works. I can even take my, let's see if it's still here. I can even take my key benefits here. Let's do something like this. Okay, so we can feed the AI with some more data. And let's try to run this command. Let's see how this works. Okay, in this case, these are really short bullet points, but you can use them and expand them. This is just a quick example on how quickly you can generate some kind of bullet points. This is more this is better for Amazon because we used a specific template to generate Amazon bullet points, but the concept is the same. I can even say something like write more Amazon style. Let's see if Jasper can understand that I want something more Amazon style bullet points. Let's try again with the command. Okay, as you can see now they are a bit longer. I can even click on compose here to go on with my bullet points. Again, I can compose again. The Amber Control Mug is the most advanced coffee mug on the market, allowing you to set and maintain your preferred drinking temperature for hot beverages. The key benefits, okay, it's not quite good as this one in this case because this is a specific template, but you can even try like this with boss mode and generate in a few seconds, in a few minutes, an Amazon bullet points description or a paragraph and give it to your client in Fiverr, earning some quick money. It's better if you are some kind of expert in copywriting, obviously, but this is a good way to use this kind of AI tools to earn money and at least pay for them and use them maybe to earn money even with your personal blog or generating blog posts for other people. Fiverr is not the only site where you can give this kind of services. Another one is, for example, Upwork, with no risk, because if you can try, you can see if you can earn some money, if you can pay for your AI tools, and this is very simple if you really see this kind of tools not only as something to play with, but they are really some working tools. You need to use them for your work, for your job, and obviously the goal is making money with them in one way or another. So the best thing you can do is try by yourself Jasper AI. You can find my link with 10,000 free words to try it for 5 days. You will need to insert your credit card number, but if you cancel it before the 5 days, you will not be charged, so don't worry. And this is how you can try very easy Jasper AI. There's no reason not to try it because as you have seen, you may also earn money with these AI tools, not only Jasper. I've taken this for this example, but the concept it's the same with all AI writing tools. Jasper is the one that can give you quality output, especially if you do something specific like this with templates, or if you write blog posts or emails, copy, for example, using long form editor and boss mode. I hope this video was helpful. If you want, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and click on the bell so you will receive notifications when I release new videos like this. That's all for now. Thank you very much, and see you soon in another video.